You know, a lot of people like the idea of farm life. They picture fresh eggs, homegrown food, peaceful mornings, and yeah, those parts are real. But this is the part that most people don't see. Every single day, there's work to be done. Doesn't matter if it's hot, if it's cold, windy, or you just don't feel like it. The animals still need to be fed. The chores still need to get done. Right here, I'm feeding the chickens, making sure they got everything they need for the day. Clean water, good feed, staying consistent is what keeps them healthy. And then there's a coop. It doesn't stay clean on its own. You gotta come in, clean it out, keep things dry, keep things fresh. If you slack on that part, it catches up to you real fast. That's something that farm life teaches you. Real quick. You can't cut corners. Everything you get out of it comes from what you're willing to put into it. Just like this asparagus we put in. We put it in last year, and it surprises this year, giving us beautiful asparagus. We're gonna have those this afternoon. They're gonna be great. And it's not just the animals either. Out here in the garden, the raised bed we built, we used the hugelkultur method. Basically, it's layered with wood and organic material underneath, huge logs at the bottom. So over time, it breaks down and feeds the soil naturally. But there's a thing. As that material settles, the soil levels drop. So now we're coming back, pulling weeds, adding more dirt, rebuilding it up again. Adding extra dirt. This is something that has to happen every single year. It's not something that's just done by its own. Stuff doesn't grow by itself. It's a consistent process. Nothing out here is set it and forget it. You're always maintaining. You're always adjusting. Always putting in extra effort. And yeah, it's work, but it takes time. It takes energy and a good pair of Milwaukee gloves. It takes consistency, even on the days you don't feel like doing it. But there's something about it. Being out here, working with your hands, seeing the progress day by day, sweating a little bit, watching things grow because of what you did. That's something you don't really understand until you live it. Because at the end of the day, it isn't just about chores. It's about providing. It's about knowing where your food comes from. It's about building something real, something that's yours. And when you finally collect those eggs or harvest it from your garden, you realize real quick, nothing tastes better than something you work for. Life isn't easy, but it's honest. And if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards speak for themselves.